Okay. Hello guys, how are you going today? I hope everything is doing great for you and your family. Welcome back to my channel. I've started with English talking today. Yes, I'm so excited to make this video for you guys because I know I have people who understand better English to my channel. Yes, for you I'll make this video. I hope you're gonna love it and make it viral. Please help me guys because it's a lot of work to make it in English and to put subtitle on Creole. Okay, yes, I'm so excited. And as you can see on the channel's name is Dana Tiberius La Luchadora. What does that mean? I know you're thinking right now, why she puts Luchadora in the channel's name? What does that mean? Yes, luchadora is a word in Spanish. If you speak Spanish, you know the meaning of the word luchadora. But it's a word in Spanish that means type the fighter girl. I consider my life like a gift. Okay, I'm Asian. I've been fighting for years for my peaceful, for my happiness. I see my life in a different way right now. Okay, for that the reason I see I deserve the word luchadora. And why in Spanish, not in English? Because now I'm living Dominican Republic. Here we speak only Spanish. For that the reason I put that word luchadora in the Chinese name. Yes, I'm a fatter girl. Yes, okay, now you can understand the word luchadora in my channel's name. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to talk with you regarding the importance you have in the life of someone. At the end of the video, you're gonna see if you are important or not. I'm so sorry. Yes, you're gonna see it. And how you can see if you are important. That person gonna show you you are important. You are gonna very concerned regarding your peaceful, your happiness. You are not gonna show that person if you are down. That person gonna feel you are not feeling good today, gonna call you, text your message, hey, what's up bro, what's up sis, what are you doing today, chill out or hang out? No, I don't feel it. I don't feel you very in your mood today. Can I come in your house? You are here? Yeah, you are there. And yes, sis, you know I love you, you know you are important, I care about you. If that person doesn't show you she or he cares about you, you're not important. It's okay if you see you're not important, the life of someone, your friends or whatever. Don't be sad, life goes on. Okay, show that person the importance you have in his life. Yes, you don't love me, okay, I don't care, I love myself. I'm going to put myself in the top. I'm going to believe in my goals. Okay, okay, that's okay. You do not love me, okay, I love myself. Yes, yes guys, please don't make you sad because yes, I know it's very hard to see you lost someone and the same person show you his love in this different ways. Yes, I know it's very hard to see, it's very hard to feel, but it's life goes on. We're gonna make it very like, I don't care if you don't love me, but I love myself. Yeah, yeah. Bye bye. Bye. Yes, you don't love me. Yes, I love myself. It's very important. So you have to love yourself first after the persons. Okay? Yes. And it's the end of the video. I hope you love it. And please comment down below, leave a thumbs up, and see you on the next video guys. Yeah, bye bye, love you guys.